Are you running an e-commerce website? Do you want to increase your sales? Or do you even want to give your customers some special offers? Then this video is for you, because in it I'll show you how to create sales notification bar that will let your customers know about your special offers, deals, announcements, and more. I'll even show you how to create a notification bar with a call to action. This notification bar we're creating will have a countdown which displays a text that we are excited to introduce our new offer, and when visitors click on get deal, it will take them to the particular product that I've linked my call to action to. I can also give my customers the opportunity to close the notification bar if they don't want to see it.
Hello guys, this is Sadiq here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video.
So to create a notification bar, I go to the back end of my website, then I go over to plugins, add new, and the set plugins are set for Notification X. This is a plugin I'm going to install. I've already installed it. I just go ahead and click on activate. After activating the plugin, it will take me to the quick setup. And these are the various notifications I can create. I can create sales notification, comments, reviews, download statistics, e-learning, donations, notification bar, and contact form. You can also create these three. However, they are in the pro version of the plugin. I've already made a video on sales notification. I'll leave a link to that video in the description down below. You can check it out. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and click on notification bar. Then I go down, click on next. In here under design, you'll be presented with these three various designs. You can choose whichever one you want. I'll go ahead and use the third one. Then I click on next. Under display, where do you want to show your notification bar? You can show it everywhere. You can also show on selected pages or even hide on some selected pages. I'll leave it as show everywhere, display for everyone, or logged out user, or even logged in user. I'll keep the default. And the appearance, do you want to keep it at top or at bottom? I'll keep mine at top, and I'll click on next. And now you are about to publish Notification X notification bar. So I'll go ahead and click on publish. And now my notification bar is created. So this is the name of my notification bar. You can change it. This is the preview. The status, it is enabled, and the type is notification bar. Statistics, I have 0 views, and it is scheduled for this date. That is today, in the next minute. I can also take some action by editing, duplicating, or even deleting it. I don't like this name, so I'm going to go ahead and edit it. So I click on edit. Scrolling up, this is the name. I change it from here. I will call it sales notification bar. From here, if you want, you can still go ahead and change whichever notification type you want. I will leave it as notification bar because that is what I'm creating. Scrolling down, I click on next. Under the themes, you have the opportunity to use advanced design. You can enable it, and you go ahead and choose the background color, text color, and what have you. I'll just keep my design minimal, so I toggle off advanced design. You can also build it with Elementor, that is if you have Elementor installed, but I'm not going to cover this in this tutorial. I click on next. Under content, I go ahead and enter my content right here. We are excited to introduce something new. In the button text, what text do I want to see on my button? I enter get deal. Next is button URL. So where do I want my users to go when they click on this get deal now? So in here, I enter my URL to a particular product where I want to take my visitors. Take note, the button URL, you can put whatever link you want to put there. You can link it to your shop page or even some category pages. For this tutorial, I'm going to link it to a particular product. Going down on the counter, I enable countdown. I'm not going to put anything under countdown text. Expired text, when it is expired, I want my users to see that the notification bar is expired. Next is start date. Which date do I want my notification bar or my offer to start? So this is today's date, and it will also end on the same date. So if you leave it as this date and save it, it will indicate that your notification bar is expired. So I want to change this end date. So I click on it, and I can change the month, let's say to December, and the day I'll make it 01, that is first. Just click aside to insert it. Perfect. I click on next. We've already seen visibility, so I click on next. And the appearance, the only thing I want to work on is mobile visibility. I don't want to hide it on mobile, so I uncheck this. Initial delay time is 5 seconds, so it will take 5 seconds before it will appear on my pages. I'll make it 1, and that's all what I want to do. I just click on update. It is successfully updated. Now I go to the front end of my website, so I go ahead and click on the name of my website, and it will appear right here. Awesome. So if visitors go ahead and click on get deal, it will take them to the product that I've linked to. Perfect. So that's it on how to create a notification bar using Notification X. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one.